What if your next home upgrade didn't just vacuum or mop, but handled the entire cleaning cycle from lifting pet hair to washing and drying its own mop pads while you did literally nothing? Hey everyone, Sebastian here from Tech Utopia, and today we're taking a hands-on look at this little beast right here, the Mova V50 Ultra Complete. And before we even get started, just look at what comes in the box. You're getting the robot, docking station, replacement mop pads, extra dust bags, 2 types of cleaning solution, including pet deodorizer, spare filter, a cleaning brush. That's value right out of the gate. This isn't just another robot vacuum. It's its own self-sufficient cleaning assistant. And today, we're putting it to the test in the most real world way possible. Let's start with mobility, because if your robot can't even get to the mess, you've already lost. My place has hardwood floor, thick carpets that shifts out of the way, under sofa clearance, even the tight spot beneath my TV stand. Basically a robot's worst nightmare. This is where the Mova starts flexing. It's rocking these bio-inspired Stepmaster wheels that can climb up to 6 centimeters. That's around 2.5 inches. To give you context, that's like stepping over an iPhone laid sideways. Now, I don't have any mini stairs in my house, but I'm going to throw every kind of obstacle at this thing, a broomstick, or anything that makes sense to test its climbing abilities and also its avoidance abilities. And here's where things get cool. The LDS laser navigation system, it isn't just a spinning puck on top. It's a lifting LiDAR that lowers when it needs to fit under furnitures and raises back up when navigating open areas. With just 89.5 millimeters height, it ducked under my couch like a spy drone on a mission. It mapped my living room on the first run. No crashes, no confusion. That's thanks to its RGB plus AI sensors and 3D path planning, which don't just see walls and legs as blocks. They identify them in real time and adapt the cleaning route. Now, to the part I always enjoy, pushing a robot cleaner to the edge. So I created a mess like, milk, jelly, whatever I could find in the house to throw at it. I mix them up, make a little mess on the floor and throw the robot to do its thing. Let's talk suction. This robot packs 24,000 Pascal motor. For reference, your average handheld vacuum maxes out at 8,000 to 10,000 power. The Dyson V50 hits around 26,000, but that's just manual. Mova does this on its own, quietly humming across your floors. It sucked up chips, dust, debris in one pass. And with its triple anti-tangle system, which combines a rubber main brush, side brushes, and anti-hair wrapping Omni wheels, it didn't choke once at the pet hair I threw at it. Now onto mopping, which is usually where most robot vacuums fall apart. Not here. This isn't just dragging a damp cloth, it's scrubbing. The Flex Boost 2.0 system spins the mop at 260 RPM with 8 knots of down pressure. That's about the same force you'd use scrubbing a counter with your hand. It wiped up the mess I threw at it and left no residue, no streaks at all. And when it senses a rug, boom, mop pads lift instantly thanks to the ultrasonic detection. No manual zones, no switching modes. It just knew that there was a rug there. It's incredible how technology have advanced. That's the clean lift, triple lift system in action. Main brush, mop, and side brush adjust based on floor types. And now, let me show you something most reviews skip. The app. This is where you'll see just how smart Mova really is. On screen, you've got live mapping, zone targeting, multiple cleaning modes, suction levels, and even mop pressure settings. I can tell it to clean the kitchen only, set it to mop mode, and crank up the water level, all from my phone. There's also a remote steering feature, firmware update center, and activity history so you can track what areas it covered, for how long and how often it covered it. This isn't just a robot, it's a digital cleaning assistant. There, I said it. Digital cleaning assistant. All right, this is where Mova earns its ultra complete name. After cleaning the robot, it returns to its dock, and that's when the self-maintenance sequence starts. Hey Mova.
I'm here.
Wash mops.
Start mop pads washing. Start cleaning mop pads.
First, it does a hot water mop wash at up to 175 Fahrenheit that breaks down grease, bacteria, or any gunk stuck on the mop pads. Then it uses 140 Fahrenheit air dry cycle so there's no mildew smell or bacteria buildup. You don't have to touch dirty pads ever. The station separates clean and dirty water into a 3.1 liter dual tank setup. And it shows you visually how filthy your floors really were. And here's what sold me. The built-in 200mm pet deodorizing tank. If you got animals, this thing neutralizes pet odors, not just masks them. Better yet, the V50 is the first in its category with a dual cleaning solution. One for daily mop jobs, one for pet safe formula specifically for urine or high odor messes. This isn't just low maintenance for you. It's no maintenance for weeks. Okay, so we've touched on the app, but let me underscore the intelligence this thing packs, okay? Mova uses 200 plus obstacle types and its recognition system. I laid out cables, pet toys, and it does them like a seasoned Roomba Ninja hybrid. You can set no-go zones, save multi-floor maps, and even name each room. It's like giving your robot direction and it listens. And if you want to go hands-free, just ask it. Built-in voice control lets you command cleaning modes without lifting a finger. Now, let's be real. Setup is not instant. You'll need to unbox all of the accessories, fill the tanks, add cleaning solution, pair with the app, and install the mop pads. Took me around 15 minutes from start to finish. But that setup includes a generous amount of accessories, extra pads, extra dust bags, filters, cleaning brush, solution bottles. You're stocked for months. I've never seen another vacuum pack this much accessories before, and it's boxed. Let's be honest, this isn't a budget item here, but when you factor in the time it saves you, the hardware you're replacing, and the zero effort maintenance, it starts making a lot of sense once you're buying this robot, right? So here's the bottom line. If you want your floors clean without ever thinking about it, the Mova V50 Ultra Complete is as close as it gets. Just set it and forget it. Link, discount codes, and full specs are below. Come on, hop on there and grab your Mova V50 Ultra Complete. I'm Sebastian from Tech Utopia, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.